Hey YouTube, Toss here. Just looked outside and noticed there was some microwave frequencies in the sky. So thought I'd see if they'd show up on camera. Let's see. I don't know if they do or not, but there's a bunch of them right between those two power lines right there. And all over right through these power lines. It's just climate engineering to the max. They're absolutely trying to block some of our sunlight. There's a trail right through the sun. Look at that. There's a trail. Goes right through the sun. And of course, we have a sun halo. So there's your trail. There's the infamous sun halo. So right now it would be 80 plus degrees already here in Eugene, Oregon this morning. It's about 11 o'clock and it's just massive microwave frequencies, jet aircraft dispersions right in front of the sun. Imagine that. This is just absolutely disgusting, ridiculous. We're all breathing this crap in that they're spraying. I can tell that I'm not breathing as good as I used to. Look at that. It's all coagulated particulate. Dispersion spread out with microwave frequencies. It's just coagulated microwave frequency chem haze. Just disgusting that we have to live and breathe in this reality. But this is just more documentation. I'm glad we're getting some of it on video. But yeah, hopefully that shows up on this video. Sun Halo City, man. That was a fat dispersion they did right in front of the sun there. There you go, guys. Massive assault. Eugene, Oregon. Documented. 11 o'clock, July 10th, I want to say. Thanks for watching.